Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger hosting deal. If you ever plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, then this may be the right time of day, because right now special deals are running right now. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 95% discount at Hostinger hosting on all of the plans. So the first thing I like regarding Hostinger is the 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing exclusive feature by Hostinger. No question asked, 30 days money back guarantee is very good to give you trust and confidence on Hostinger. So scroll below and look around on the reviews on Trustpilot regarding what people are saying for this Hostinger hosting. So let's see what people saying, and the reviews: 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. This is the first company that I found and offered the drag and drop feature of building a website. I hated having to learn something else to build a small one like mine. It made it so much easier, and I have recommended this to others. So yeah, Hostinger hosting is no doubt an amazing hosting service, and all of the people are almost recommending this. And this is one of the reasons why I opted for Hostinger, and this is one of the reasons why I'm here with this special amazing up to 95% deal for my audience over here. So these are some of the further reviews regarding Hostinger hosting. And with Hostinger hosting, you have Hostinger Horizon. It's a AI tool to give you you can easily create a website or app. Just write a command, it's automatically going to do it. No skills are needed for this. And if you want to use WordPress with Hostinger hosting, you can easily build a WordPress website. If you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated Migrate to Hostinger service to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. So right now 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. 150 plus countries are being served. 20 years of experience is being over here. 10 million plus websites are being created right now. So I'm also using it from last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good. So now, without wasting much of your time, directly move on to the plans where you can save up to 95% discount on Hostinger hosting. So these are the 3 most popular plans, but you can claim this 95% deal on any of the plan. But my recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before opting for one. For instance, the premium plan has 3 websites. With the unlimited plan, you can host a limited website. In the cloud setup, you can host unlimited website. The premium has SSD storage, while the unlimited has NVMe storage, and the cloud also has NVMe storage. So do a comparison of these small things to see what are your essential requirements before you offer any hosting. Simply select the choose plan over here. You can see it's 80% off, but I'm going to make it up to 95% discount on Hostinger hosting. So simply select the choose plan over here, and now you will be moved to another page. And once you land on that page, I'm going to tell you further. So the page is loaded. So you can see Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1 month, 12 month, 24 and 48 months. If you want to save the maximum amount of money, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive prices for my audience. So after this, you can claim your free domain by writing over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. So remember, you had 80% off, but once you add the free domain for the first year, the free domain is valid on all of the plans. So I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. After this, I can see my order summary over here. Everything is fine. And now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here. So once you apply over here, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So 80% is over here. Now add a daily backup, free domain, and 10% additional coupon code, which is mentioned in the description of this video along with a special discounting. And you're also getting free mailboxes for 1 year. So do your math. It's approximately 95% discount for you at Hostinger hosting. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy this amazing discount from Hostinger. Now simply select the continue, and now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, need to create a new account at Hostinger. After this, you will move on to the last part, and that is doing payment. But before you do your payment, write your billing details over here. You can add it over here. See everything is fine, and see your after this see your order summary over here. You are getting the discount as suggested. Everything is fine, and now selecting on payment method. Hostinger has flexibility of payment method. They offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay. They have so many options, so you can choose any per one as per your convenience. and after you submit your payment details, within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience is very good. So enjoy your amazing Hostinger hosting deals by simply clicking on the link in the description and using either of the coupon code to enjoy this amazing limited time deals. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.